Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important multiple choice questions for the entrance exam of MPH, that is Master of Public Health, for various institute and universities like AIMS, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, and for other institute and universities which conducts MPH entrance exam. And to join online coaching and for important question PDF notes, you can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of entrance exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get the information regarding various jobs and notification for entrance exam of MPH, and to take important videos regarding MPH entrance exam. WhatsApp number is 9411513974. Here question number first is, in which year considered year of great divide? In which year considered year of great divide? Options are 1981, 1921, 1899, 1891, 1961. Correct answer is option B, 1921. Year 1921 considered as a year of great divide. Its explanation is, the year 1921 is regarded as the defining year. It is also known as the year of the great divide, as population growth was scarce before that time. After 1921, India's population growth was consistent. Before and after 1921, the year 1921 is known as the demographic divide for the region. That before this year the population was not constant. Sometimes it increased and at other times it decreased. The growth scale of population was usually low before 1921, but after this year there has been considerable and constant increase in the population. Between 1901 and 1911, the total rise in population was 5.9%, and between 1911 and 1921 there was a decrease of 0.39%. In the decade of 1921 to 1931, the increase was 11.1%. From 1931 to 1941, it was 14%, and during 1941 to 1951, it was 13.5%. It is going increasingly after then. Hence, the year 1921 is rightly called the demographic divide or year of great divide. Question number second is, which of the following statements regarding isolation during COVID-19 are correct? Option 1, it is used for people suffering from COVID-19 symptoms or who have tested positive for the virus. Second statement, in isolation means being separated from other people, mainly in a medical facility where you can receive clinical care. Options are only 1A, B only 2, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer is both 1 and 2. Here question is, which of the following statement regarding isolation during COVID-19 are correct? So both the statements are correct. Statement 1, it is used for people suffering from COVID-19 symptoms or who have tested positive for the virus. Second statement, in isolation means being separated from other people, mainly in a medical facility where you can receive clinical care. Both the statements are true. Explanation is, isolation is used for those people who have COVID-19 symptoms or who have tested positive. In isolation means being separated from other people, mainly in a medical facility where you can receive clinical care. As per WHO, if any person has symptoms, then he or she should remain in isolation for at least 10 days plus an additional 3 days without symptoms. If a person is infected and does not develop symptoms, then he or she should remain in isolation for 10 days from the time he or she tests positive. Question number third is, child nutritional status measured in terms of 3 anthropometric indicators. They are: option A, stunning, wasting and underweight. Option B, mortality, morbidity and underweight. Option C, body mass index, morbidity rate, dependency ratio. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, stunning, wasting and underweight. Here question number 3 is child nutritional status measured in terms of 3 anthropometric indicators. They are correct answer is stunning, wasting and underweight. Explanation is these indicators are used to measure nutritional imbalance resulting in undernutrition assessed from underweight, wasting and stunning and overweight. Child growth is internationally recognized as an important indicator of nutritional status and health in populations. Question number 4. In India, when did the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination start? Option A December 2020, B January 2021, C February 2021, D March 2021. Correct answer is March 2021. In India, in March 2021, the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination got started. Its explanation is on 1st March 2021, the second phase of vaccination started in India that allows all Indians above the age of 60 and Indians between the age of 45 and 59 with comorbidities to be vaccinated. Question number 5. RSBY stand for. What is RSBY stand for? Option A राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, B राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बेनिफिशियरी यूथ, C राष्ट्रीय सेल्फ बेनिफिशियरी यूथ, D none of these. Correct answer is option A राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना. RSBY stand for राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना. राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, that is RSBY stand for. Explanation is राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, RSBY literally National Health Insurance Program, is a government run health insurance program for the Indian poor. The scheme aims to provide health insurance coverage to the under-recognized sector workers belonging to the BPL category and their family members shall be beneficiaries under this scheme. It provides for cashless insurance for hospitalization in public as well as private hospitals. Question number 6. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. When a virus does not change is called a mutation. Statement 2. A virus with one or more new mutations is known as a variant of the original virus. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A only 1, B only 2, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer option B only 2. Second statement is true. So here the question in question 6 the statements that are given. Statement 1. When a virus does not change is called a mutation. Statement 2. A virus with one or more new mutations is known as a variant of the original virus. So here statement 2 is correct, and statement 1, that is when a virus does not change is called a mutation, it is not correct. Its explanation is when a virus replicates, makes copies of itself, sometimes changes a little bit, which is normally for a virus. These changes are known as mutations, and a virus with one or more new mutations is also known as a variant of the original virus. Next question is what is ASA? ASHA. What is ASA? Options are additional social health activist, B accredited social health activist, C additional socio health activist, D none of these. Correct answer option B accredited social health activist. So here question is what is ASA? Correct answer is accredited social health activist. Full form of ASA is accredited social health activist. Explanation is an accredited social health activist. ASA is a community health worker instituted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as a part of the National Rural Health Mission NRHM. The mission began in 2005. Full implementation was targeted for 2012. Once fully implemented, there is to be an ASA in every village. Question number 8. Which of the following statement are correct about Favipiravir? Favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. This is statement A. Statement B. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name Fabiflu has launched an antiviral drug Favipiravir. C. It is India's first COVID-19 drug launched priced at rupees 103 per tablet. D. All the above are correct. Correct answer option D. All the above are correct. So all the statements are correct. Question here is which of the following statement is are correct about favipiravir? So all the statement are correct. That is statement A, favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. This is statement is true. Of statement B, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name FabiFlu has launched an antiviral drug favipiravir. This statement is also true. Option C, statement C, it is India's first COVID-19 drug launched priced at rupees 103 per tablet. This statement is also true. So all the statements are true. Explanation is favipiravir is an antiviral COVID-19 drug. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals under the brand name FabiFlu has launched an antiviral drug favipiravir. It is India's first COVID-19 drug launched priced at rupees 103 per tablet. Question number 9. Example of lifestyle diseases. Option A, cancer. Option B, malaria. Option C, chikungunya. Option D, fever. Correct answer option A, cancer. Here example of lifestyle diseases, that is options given. Correct answer is cancer. Explanation is examples of lifestyle disease include Alzheimer's disease, chronic liver disease, cancer, heart disease, asthma, diabetes, stroke and osteoporosis. Medicine Net. Question number 10. How many countries, areas or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreaks in the world? Option A, more than 50, B, more than 100, C, more than 150, D, more than 200. Correct answer is option D, more than 200. Here question is how many countries, areas or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreaks in the world? Correct answer is more than 200. Explanation is according to WHO, World Health Organization, around 216 countries, areas or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus or COVID-19 outbreak in the world till 11 June 2020. In this video, I have given important questions regarding the entrance exam of MPH, that is Master of Public Health, which are very useful for various MPH entrance exams like AIIMS, PGIMER, Chandigarh, TISS, Mumbai, JIPMER, Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS, Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, ICMR, and other university and institute just conducts MPH entrance exam. For online coaching and important question PDF notes, WhatsApp on 9411513974 and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.